our product was originally developed in the 90s specifically for high voltage applications. So microgrids itself is a huge trend for us. We've kind of seen it, things move to be more and more local, more and more low level. So our users and our customers are definitely more focused on distributed energy resources, on studying converters and how multiple converters on a microgrid might interact, testing microgrid control, a big shift toward Ethernet protocol communication. So rather than hardwired communication, we're seeing many different standard protocols introduced. So there are lots of interoperability issues with that. So all of those trends within the microgrid space are things that our users are exploring and needing our product to test.
Well, on the technology side, costs of key components have come down a lot in recent years and are continuing to move along the technology maturity curve and come down the cost curve. So that's certainly very exciting for all of us as well as for end users and for the investors in these systems. On the load side, there's been a leveling off of load in general in the first world, and a lot of energy still required to meet demands in the developing world. So there's going to be a lot of projects, especially distributed energy projects, that we're looking at in the developing world. For us, the most exciting trend that impacts our work and adds value for our customers is the ability to use advanced software tools for the modeling and design of distributed energy systems. And we have a partnership that we announced this year with a software provider, which is enabling us to reduce the configuration time and the design and optimization of distributed energy systems by as much as 90%. So that really helps us improve time to results and cut costs for our end users.
Solar Turbines is excited to introduce a new line of lithium-ion battery energy storage products. They're intended to complement our existing line of gas turbines, and we think this is an extremely appropriate product to offer. The timing is good, and we see a lot of opportunities for this in the marketplace. Thermal storage has been around for a long time now. Battery energy storage, which is really kind of a differentiator on the energy storage front, where we're storing electric power, really adds a lot of flexibility to a microgrid application. I think that topic's been touched on numerous tracks here at this conference, but the ability to store energy and dispatch that same energy from a battery system adds tremendous operational flexibility to a facility owner.